decided to replace the rock floor in front of the fireplace. We decided to go with these marble tiles, or marble look tiles. And here you can see we've ripped up the old rock floor and started the primer. This is with the primer done and the simulated wood grain on the top of the mantelpiece. Now we've started the white on the brick over the primer, and a little bit more, we need another coat of white. Now we've got the clear coat on the mantle, the simulated wood. You can see the simulated wood look, and we've got the white all finished on the bricks themselves. And you can see we left the gray mortar in the middle as a nice accent there. And here's the new tile down. Everything's done now except for the cleanup. And here it is with everything finished and all cleaned up.